Hi, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix if you receive a message on Roblox stating that your Windows 7 system is too outdated. So it means that Roblox has ended support for Windows 7. However, there are few steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. So first you need to do is to update Windows. So ensure that your Windows 7 operating system is fully updated. So go to the Start menu, open the Control panel, and then select Windows Update. So check for any available updates and install them. Restart your computer after the updates are completed. Next is to update Roblox. So make sure that you have the latest version of Roblox application installed on your computer. So you need to open the Roblox application and go to the settings menu. From there, click on the About tab and select the Check for Updates option. So if an update is available, just follow the prompts to install it. Next is the compatibility mode. So right-click on the Roblox application icon and select Properties. So in the Properties window, you can go to the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select a compatible operating system such as Windows 8 or Windows 10. And then click Apply and then click OK to save the changes. So, and try launching Roblox again. Next is virtual machine. So consider running Roblox on a virtual machine if your system meets the hardware requirements. So you can install a virtual machine software like VirtualBox or VMware on your Windows 7 computer and run a recent operating system such as Windows 10 within the virtual machine. So this way you can still access and play Roblox on an updated operating system. So next and lastly is to upgrade your operating system. So if none of the above solutions work, it may be necessary to upgrade your operating system to a newer version. So Microsoft has ended support for Windows 7, so upgrading to a newer version such as Windows 10 will ensure compatibility with Roblox and other applications. And consider backing up your data and performing a clean installation of the new operating system, or consult with a professional if you are unsure about the process. And please note that this suggestion may not guarantee compatibility with Roblox on Windows 7, as the platform no longer officially supports this system. So upgrading to a more recent version of Windows is the most recommended solution for a long-term compatibility and security. So that is all, and I hope you learned something, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.